For many years, I've been struggling to build my business online until I got a mentor that showed me and taught me valuable lessons pertaining systems, automation, processes, how you can build a business that runs on complete autopilot. What you need to do is you need to put yourself out there in the marketplace. You need that mentor, that go-to person. And I can show you, I can meet up with you and build these systems and processes on your phone. What you need to bring along is your smartphone so that I can build and teach you how to do online business so that you can generate leads, convert leads into sales until you get a mentor, a expert, a professional that can show you from point A, B to C to get results. If you want this and you're telling me, Joshua, I want to do this, I want to see results, a positive transformation, a good outcome, I need this. Contact me on 08107493993. WhatsApp me. Contact me ASAP. Let's get you started today. I'll see you on the inside. Have a super awesome day. Thank you and you're welcome.